Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for S Bank. S Bank has, we already visited S Bank a few days ago. That time it was, in the recent stage of second time splitting. But after the second time splitting, share splitting, S Bank recently, the last 2 days has been going down. Uh, whatever may be the trend, whatever may be the reason, because recently so many things happened from government side also. Indian government has announced a huge boost package for nationalized banks, and on that particular day, the particular day and the next day, bank stocks boomed, but only national stocks boomed, and remaining private banks, stocks went down. And as part of the trend, HDFC also went down, S Bank also went down, and but S Bank way of going down is a little bit at a steep level. And after that, S Bank results have come, quarterly results, and actually it is, it did very good in the last quarter. But the point is, because of the spike in the bad loans, NPS, non-performing assets, people, investors have not, treated S Bank results in a, in a good fashion, and they started punishing S Bank. So that is the result is like, the S Bank is going down right now. So this is the fundamental analysis. So now we do the technical part, and then let's see actually how far and how long we have to see this downtrend, and how long people who had already invested money in S Bank, how long their money is going to get locked. Because why I'm using the word locked means people who already had invested money in the S Bank at the moment cannot take their cannot unless you sell your shares at this, whatever price is going on right now, which is very low. Unless you sell your shares, you cannot take your money. And as an investor, our money has to be in a continuous rotation stage. We cannot lock it. Okay, we cannot lock in a particular stock for n number of days. If the stock is not moving up, if the price of the stock is not moving up, then we consider as an investor that the amount that we invested in that particular stock is locked. Okay, because it is not helping us. It is not benefiting us. So as an investor, your mindset has always should be from this angle, whatever I'm telling you. Unless the investment, wherever you make, particularly in stock market, I'm talking stock market point of view. Unless the stock price moves up, there is no point in investing in that particular stock. Otherwise, there is no point actually. We cannot afford to lock our investment. So from that point, I am making this video. I am revisiting S Bank, and then and let's see actually how long the S Bank downfall is going to, downtrend is going to happen, is going to continue. That's what that is the main motive of this creating this particular video. Okay, right now what you are seeing is the monthly technical chart of S Bank, and along with a few technical indicators, and price historical trend. Okay, you can see the price historical trend of S Bank also. As I have a lot of data here since 2005. See, S Bank has been continuously growing up to 2008, and after that there is a downfall from again since 2009 onwards. It has been going up, trying to go up, but there is a lot of sideways movement up to this point. That means 2013. Only the real upward movement started happening only after 2013, and after that, after 2013, every time it is making new highs except for this period. This happened in 2015, and this is again a sideways movement. Okay. Now every time after 2015, that sideways movement, every time the stock, S Bank started moving up, making a new high here, here until this point. Okay. uh, and after that, if you're you can see the red color, candles here. See the red color candles here. Okay, these are the recent downward. These candles were created during the recent downward spiral of the S Bank. Okay, what I can tell you from this particular trend, I mean, from the price trend and the price path that this bank has followed so far. If you look at the history and in the present situation, it looks like S Bank is in a consolidation phase. And I mean, I don't think the price, though there is a fall of some 300 and I mean, okay, 80 rupees to okay, some 70 rupees difference is there. 70 rupees so far. So far, 70 it has fallen from 70 from 380 to 307. Yeah, 80 to 307. So some approximately some 70 rupees gap is there at the moment in the minus side. But still, I feel like since the fundamentals are very strong and everybody is very much, I mean, having good opinion about S Bank and its performance and its past performance and its present performance. So I feel like S Bank still holds some fuel, to push the price up and then continue this trend, the upward trend. Okay. Now let's see the what technical indicators are telling us. You see the 50 moving average, 50-day moving average. I mean, S Bank is still on top of the 50-day moving average, and surprisingly, it is on top of the 10-day moving average also. I'll show you. I mean, 10-day moving average, and the super trend is still continuing. The green color, you see this one, super trend is still continuing, and though I mean that means these are like a blips. Whatever red candles you are seeing, those are like blips, and the price fall is also like a blip. And after that, there is a chance, as long as this super trend continues, as long as this stock is on top of the 10-day moving average and 50-day moving average. I mean, we can safely say that we can safely assume that this stock will move in the upward direction in the near future. Okay, coming to the point, I mean, coming to other technical indicators, what the other technical indicators are giving us, what sort of guiding points they're giving us. Okay, now look at the RSI. RSI is touching the midpoint. Actually, it is literally going down, vertically going down. Okay, which is in sync with the price downfall here. And MACD is trying its level best, but now it is signal line is touching the red line. It's crossing the red line actually, and again you are seeing the histogram bars here, which are operating on top of the baseline, but you can see the red bars popping up here, which again all these indicators symptoms are in sync with this one. And again momentum is literally going down. Very good. And ADX is still showing some positive sign, like green bar is on top of the green line is on top of the red line, and the signal, the strength is okay, it's going up. But if you look at the tip is a little bit going down. Okay, now all these indicators are suggesting that S Bank stock is about to go down. Okay, about to go down what? Already it started and it is going down, and the downfall will continue unless this momentum and the RSI and the MACD, everything, all except ADX. I am not seeing a positive trend in any other RSI, MACD, momentum. All three are showing the downward direction only at the moment. Okay, how long this process will continue? Now let's go to the day chart and then see actually see this one. See, the point is here. The in the day chart, if you see the for the same S Bank, you are seeing the red color subtrend has formed, and now it is going down. Okay, I tell you, once only after this particular right now, S Bank is under the influence of this particular trend. Okay, only this influence changes. Now that means when the red color super trend becomes a green color super trend, only then the stock price will go up. So now S Bank has gone down actually from where 384 to right now it came down to 307. What was its recently touched lowest price? 275. There is a chance that it may go down to that level and then bounce back. So be ready. For be ready means what? Actually, you need to wait. You need to wait until the super trend changes. So, but since S Bank fundamentals are very good, the point is like you can take this as an opportunity and you keep buying. It's like you can go for a buy and hold strategy for S Bank, where at the moment even the price is also very low compared to its earlier price. Earlier it was trading at 1600, 1700, something like that of that sort. Now it is trading at 200, 300 kind of thing, around 300. Now and there is a lot of potential for for this particular bank. So now it is an opportunity for you as an investor to gather, to buy as many stocks, as many shares as you can, and hold them. And once the trend reverses, you can gain a lot. So this is the conclusion for S Bank right now. So buy and hold strategy. That is what you are supposed to do as a long-term investor. Okay, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.